Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a popular and effective wellness trend, intermittent fasting. If you've been curious about this approach to eating, you're in the right place. Let's explore the full guide to intermittent fasting and how it can revolutionize your health journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness content. Let's get started. Section 1. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. The key is not just about what you eat, but when you eat it. The idea is to give your body a break from constant digestion, allowing it to focus on repair and rejuvenation during the fasting periods. Section 2. Different intermittent fasting methods. 16/8 method, time-restricted eating. One of the most popular methods, the 16/8 approach, involves fasting for 16 hours and having an 8-hour eating window. For example, you might eat between noon and 8 p.m., fasting from 8 p.m. to noon the next day. 5:2 diet, the fast and feast approach. This method involves eating normally for 5 days a week and significantly reducing calorie intake on the remaining 2 non-consecutive days. It's all about the balance between fasting and feasting. Eat, stop, eat. For those seeking a more extended fasting approach, eat, stop, eat involves a full 24-hour fast once or twice a week. It's essential to stay hydrated during the fasting period. Section 3. Health benefits of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting offers a myriad of health benefits backed by scientific research. Weight loss and fat burning. Fasting periods help the body tap into stored fat for energy, aiding in weight loss and fat burning. Improved insulin sensitivity. It can enhance insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Cellular repair and longevity. Fasting triggers autophagy, a process where cells remove damaged components, promoting cellular repair and potentially extending lifespan. Enhanced brain health. It may support brain health by promoting the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein associated with cognitive function. Section 4. Tips for success. Embarking on an intermittent fasting journey? Here are some tips for a successful experience. Stay hydrated. Water is your best friend during fasting periods. Stay hydrated to support bodily functions. Choose nutrient-dense foods. Make the most of your eating window by opting for nutrient-dense, whole foods to nourish your body. Listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger cues and adjust your fasting windows accordingly. Everyone's body is unique. Conclusion. There you have it, the full guide to intermittent fasting. Remember, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. If you've tried intermittent fasting or are considering it, share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and stay tuned for more wellness wisdom. Until next time, stay healthy.